Good morning, everybody. We just woke up. It's day 2 here in Athens. Robin and I desperately needed some coffee. So I have an iced latte here. I have just a regular brewed coffee, but I forgot to ask for cream and sugar, so it's black today. And then we also got a vegan apricot croissant. These look pretty good. I'm excited to try it. Yeah, this was about half the price of yesterday's breakfast, so a really good find. So today is going to be one of the last sunny days that we're going to see for a while. So we got up extra early today and we're going to do a lot of exploring, try to mark off everything that is still on our DIY tour, get that all done today so that when it rains tomorrow, it's okay if we don't go outside for the whole time. Just left the hostel. We're on our way to go see the Temple of Zeus, and the Hadrian's Ark is right there, so I'm sure we'll stop by too. Alright, so right now we are in the Plaka neighborhood in Athens. It is so beautiful so far. Lots of really cute shops, and the streets are absolutely beautiful tile. It's awesome, so I'm excited to explore. All right, we just found this really cute little pastry coffee shop in Plaka, and so we got some pastries. They were 180 euros for both, so pretty good. So I got the pistachio one, and I'm pretty sure I got ones with cashews in it. There was a drill going right beside the place, so we couldn't really understand what they were saying. All we know is that they're sweet pastries, supposedly. That's pretty yummy. I couldn't tell from your reaction. I couldn't decide what I liked, but it's pretty much cashews and like honey. Ooh. Which is super yummy, and then just like a flaky pastry on the outside. It's really good. Took me a second to figure out what I was tasting, but it's really yummy. Look how good this looks. Oh my goodness. I'm not sharing this. It's so good. Okay, so we made it to Hadrian's Ark, which is not how I pictured it at all. We are right beside a major street in Athens, so it's really loud. But the Hadrian's Ark was built to be a gate between the old city of Athens and then the new city of Hadrian. So it's really cool. It's 18 meters tall. It's absolutely humongous, and it's 13 meters wide. And it's just like this random, really ancient relic in the middle of Athens. It's so cool. So for those of you who didn't believe that we actually hiked a really steep mountain yesterday, we found it from this viewpoint. On the top there, that's where we hiked. Very, very fast. Okay, so we did have to pay to get in to see the Temple of Zeus, but we thought it was worth it. And also because it's winter time, it's half price. So it was only €4 per person. So this is the temple of Olympian Zeus. It's absolutely massive. The camera doesn't do these pillars justice. I also wish he wasn't cutting the grass right now because it's kind of loud. Okay, so we almost did the exact same mistake we did yesterday when we were visiting the Acropolis, but we double-checked the map of this right before we left and realized there was an entire section that we didn't get to. So we ran back over here, but it's closed. We think it's because of the off-season, but there's a do not enter sign, so we can just view from this lookout point, and it's absolutely stunning. It's a whole bunch of ruins. The sign's on the other side of the area, so we don't really know what anything is, but we're still enjoying it nonetheless. And now we're at the Parliament building. Hopefully we can catch the changing of the guards. Robin putting away her jacket. Everyone else has full-on winter attire on. So we just finished with the changing of the guards. It was so cool to see, but also kind of funny. They were definitely doing kind of like a dance routine. They go like super slow motion and then like point their toes and put it down, or they'd slide their feet across the marble so all you could hear is like squeaking. But it was really cool to see. Took a really long time though. All right, now we are heading into the National Garden. It is super big in here, so we have lots of exploring to do. It's crazy that good oranges in Canada is like a luxury, and here they're just like on the ground. Like, can we take them? What is going on? I'm not sure how we're gonna cross this, but I don't think we're crossing here, Robin. We can do it. Alright, my dish came out before Robin's. I ordered a traditional Greek dish called dolmades. It's a great fine leaf wrapped around some rice and some other traditional spices. I'm not sure what else is in it, but it is vegetarian, so I'm gonna give it a try. And it comes with a yogurt dipping sauce. How is it? It's really good. So I also got a traditional Greek food. I got the Greek moussaka. So from my understanding, it has meat and potatoes and eggplant and a lot of cheese, it looks like. So good. That is so yummy. Holy moly. It looks unreal. It's definitely got a lot of potatoes, but whatever like tomato sauce that they use is so yummy. There are so many cats in Athens, it's crazy. So that was probably the most delicious supper we've had yet. So good. It was so good, and the waiters were so nice. We absolutely loved it. We are just going back to the hostel now. We might have a beverage there. They have some happy hour. And then we're gonna do some more planning for our next adventure after Athens. The birds are so loud.
In Athens, they count down, so you know exactly how long you have to wait. There's nothing in here. The Temple of Olympian Zeus. Okay. I feel like I shouldn't be allowed to touch something that's this old.